Hi all. Today we are going to consider how to determine IRR and MIRR in Excel. So IRR is internal rate of return. Considering I have an investment of 100, 1000 rather, and the expected cash flows are 400, 350, 300 and 250 and the cost of capital is 8%. Now IRR can be determined using the function equal to IRR, and I'll take in all the cash flows starting from investment. Another way of determining how we are getting IRR. So, in case of internal rate of return, we are reinvesting the cash flows at the internal rate of return. So, for determining the future value, 1 plus IRR to the power 3, since this is a first year cash flow. In case of the second year cash flow, 350 multiplied with 1 plus IRR to the power 2 equal to 300 multiplied with 1 plus IRR, and for the fourth year cash flow it will be 250, since it's the fourth year cash flow. That will be the future value. The net sum of future values would be 1598. So we can determine the IRR using the rate function. NPER is 4, 0. Present value is cell E3 and future value is cell J4. So we find the IRR to be 12%. But a better judgment of internal rate of return can be done through MIRR, that is modified internal rate of return, since it is considering that all the cash flows they are being reinvested at the cost of capital. So we can determine MIRR using the function MIRR. We'll take in all the cash flows starting from investment. Got to add the cost of capital and the reinvestment rate. Now let's determine MIRR using the future value concept, wherein these cash flows are being reinvested at the cost of capital. Same way for second year cash flow, 1 plus cost of capital to the power 2. For the third year cash flow, 300 multiplied with 1 plus cost of capital. And for the final year cash flow, it will be same as 250. So the net summation of all the cash flows would be, let's determine the MIRR using rate function. NPER is 4, PMT is 0, present value cell E3, and future value cell J5. Just close this. So we are determining the MIRR to be 10%. So these are the two ways we can determine IRR and MIRR in Excel. In case this video was helpful, please do like it. And for more such videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for your